Imagine it's December 31st, 2025. You look back at the year and smile. You reached your goals. You feel confident and in control. Your health, career, and relationships are stronger than ever. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing. This didn't happen because of luck or motivation. It happened because of one simple daily habit. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it too. The secret habit: morning vision and evening reflection. Most people fail at their goals not because they don't try, but because they don't stay focused and don't learn from mistakes. That's why this two-step habit works so well. Step 1. Morning vision. Start your day right. Every morning before checking your phone, close your eyes and imagine yourself winning the day. Feel the confidence of completing your tasks. See yourself making progress on your biggest goals. This trains your brain to focus on success before the day even starts. Step 2. Evening reflection. End your day. Write every night. Take 2 minutes to reflect. What went well today? Celebrate small wins. What's one thing I'm proud of? Success starts with self-belief. What's one thing I can improve? Growth happens when we learn. This keeps you on track and helps you course correct fast. Why this works. Morning vision keeps you focused and motivated. Evening reflection helps you learn and grow. Together, these two simple habits will change your life. The best part? It takes just 5 minutes a day. Your challenge. Tonight, before bed, write down one thing that went well. Write down one thing you're proud of. Write down one thing you'll improve. Tomorrow morning, take 2 minutes to visualize your success. Do this for 7 days and you'll feel a huge shift in your mindset. You'll start taking action with confidence and clarity. Are you ready to change your life? Then start today.